magically moody. So I thought, why not make fairy dust? And I wanted to make it with you because you're my special guests. So I'm gonna make a fairy pendant. What you'll need to make fairy dust is some glass craft bottles. They look really magical. Some string, some magical glitters. We're not really gonna use the silver much because there's not really much in there. Put that with them. So some glitter. Here's some. And yeah. The good thing about these is they're old British flower fairies, and they come with these cute little hairbrushes and mirrors. I hope you guys can see them, and cones, and they're really adorable. But are you okay there, love? Anyways, let's get on with making the fairy dust. To start off with, I cut some string and tied it around the neck of a bottle, and I also tied it here. Take off a cork and get some paper and fold it into half. Yeah, add some glitter. No, not like that. Like that. Some green. Okay, this is very hard. Why don't we just... That wasn't even in sprinkles. Okay. And then you pour it like what are they called? Tubes. So that's all my green done. Now we're gonna add in some gold. Some nice gold. I'm taking off this because it was very hard the last time I did it with green. I want more golden than green because gold's so much better. Okay, now I'm gonna do exactly the same what I just did with the green. Oh no. So now for some silver. I sure hope you can see. So sometimes my camera goes out of focus. Now I'm going to add in some of this glitter. Not too much. Okay, that's way too much. Okay. So, yep, just gonna pour it in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So, this is the final turnout. Let's put a cork on. There you go. Shake it up. Beautiful pendant. Now let's put it around my neck. Feels so magical. Huh? What's that? What? You've made this before? Really? Really? Wow. What about you? What? She told me fairies had wings. How did I not know that? They've had wings for ages. Okay, so guys, hope you What did you just say? Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, and bye.